excited to do a show in Mumbai after 6 long years, and just to be back on the ramp feels so surreal. It felt like I never left. So, and Daisy walking is she's family to me, and the most when I thought of a showstopper and when I wanted to restart, the only thing I thought of, I want somebody comfortable. I don't want anybody giving me stress or anything. And she was as good as an elder sister to me. I love it. Longer the ramp, better it is. We love it. We love our heels. We love the daisies.
No, it gives you more space to show off the outfit also that you are wearing.
Longer the ramp, better it is.
Thank you so much. The credit goes to Manali, obviously. And I didn't know that this was after 6 years. So, congratulations on that. And thank you for choosing me for this moment of yours. And I think ये याद रहे कि 6 साल के बाद मुंबई में मनाली ने शो किया and Daisy has walked from. All walks have been really memorable because it's the outfit that we really, it's the designer's vision that we put it forward to the media outside and the people who are really looking for the outfits for their certain occasions. So yeah, we are the canvas outfit.
Almost like a runaway bride. So it's very easy, not the usual big can lehenga. When we spoke about it also, she said, I want to do, and I think this is something that suits her. Not that I want her to be a runaway bride, but I think
You
it's
never know, that can be a reality very soon.
and I think it's something that suits her. She carries it so beautifully. So it was specially designed for her, and I love it. I think she's doing fabulous justice to it.
And all the outfits that I've seen Manali, they are very easy. They're not like something that you have to put so much of कि यहाँ से ये कैसे करेंगे, ये वजन को कैसे संभालेंगे. So it's so easy. Like if I was a bride, I don't mind standing for like even 5 hours in this outfit.
It was amazing. It was good to collaborate with Manali for this show. Always Satya does a great job with GICW, and I've been associated with it from the beginning. I think it's the first time they're in Mumbai, and I think when we decided to do the show, and Manali was a great choice. Obviously, she has had an interesting couple of years, and coming from the healthcare field, I think we connected quite well. Also, she got Daisy, which was an amazing thing to do, and so I think everything went really well.
That you need perfect skin, perfect outfit.
He's apart from the Marathi connection that we have, the Karkhanis and the Jagtap. It was such an honor to do a show for them. They have these amazing clinics. They make us look so pretty, and they're fab nomad. She's a fab gynac, and I think for us to collaborate with such a brand which is just not is so valued, I think it's amazing.
For me, this is like a homecoming, because this is how I started my career as a model, back in '94, and I was still a teenager that time, and I'm always so happy to be back on ramp because it's like my first, you come back to your first love. And Nitin is a very dear friend of mine. He's a young designer, and this is the second time I've worked for him. I worked for him at the ITA many years ago, and today I was able to join him and participate in his celebration today. His clothes are fantastic. I just said that normally I don't wear velvet, in clothes because it's slightly heavy as a fabric. But when I wore his outfit, it just fell so beautifully in place and on my body. It just gave me that sort of it's an automatic generation of swag within you. So I had a good time walking on the ramp wearing his outfit.
And I'm very blessed. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to GIC. Thanks to Satya sir and Siddharth, Sham, everybody.
Yeah, and special mention for GICW, Satya. I think you guys should know that he's the owner of this property. It's a beautiful event, and so is he, Siddharth. And they've created such a beautiful event here, and I would definitely want to congratulate them. And I can tell you that they have a very bright future ahead if they can, in such early years of your starting, if you can create such magical stuff. I'm sure the future is really bright.